Assalamu alaikum everyone. In our course Dairy Science and Engineering, today we are gonna make Rasmalai. Here is the ingredients. We need powdered milk, baking soda, oil and sugar. Here we are taking one cup of powdered milk. Here we are taking in a bowl and adding half a teaspoon of baking powder in it. After that we need to add a whole egg. After adding all of the ingredients, we need to mix it well. Now here we are whisking all of the ingredients together. Make sure that will be lump free. Now here we are heating our pan and it's just ready to boil our milk. In our milk we have added some spices, cinnamon, cardamom, and here is our dough. We are wrapping it for resting. Here our milk is boiling. In this position, here we are making a small ball from our dough for our further action. Now we are adding the ball in our boiling milk and we need to heat up for a few times. In this position we have to check a little bit that is it cooked or not. Now it is the time of tasting. We are removing our Rasmalai from the pan and take it in a plate, and here is the final product. This is ready to taste and the taste was really good. Thank you for watching.